Brace for price increases. That's the warning to consumers this evening as farmers say they've been suffering big losses due to successive shocks, namely COVID-19 and dry conditions. Dwayne Anderson picks up that story.
It would be hard to find a group that has not suffered due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but some groups have had it a little harder, notably farmers. Many of them have had to absorb losses following the closure of their markets due to COVID-19, and now they're battling drought conditions. The struggle to find water to cultivate their crops is an expensive one, and the farmers fear they can't hold strain much longer. That means they will start to pass on the cost to buyers.
I'm from St. Elizabeth. I'm here to tell you, down at St. Elizabeth right now, the scallion going up by the hour, not by the day. You know what I mean? Cauliflower is $200 a pound down to $250 a pound. Yeah, the thing's going up in the garden. So when we come here sometime, we can't carry broccoli. When we carry broccoli is $600 a pound and balls. So things going up rapidly in the field.
This Manchester-based farmer shares the plight of those in St. Elizabeth, even as he sold his melon at a recent farmer's market. We sampled the produce, nice and juicy. But don't let that fool you. Bringing the melon to fruition for consumers to enjoy has been tough.
Right now we're just doing it for try keep up back with that we can go back again, because sometimes we don't even see back the money we spend out of it. The water is so expensive because a nice 4,000 gallon is for like 15,000, and sometimes you have to buy like 20 of those to sustain the crop. And when the crop come, if you really not reap like 10, 12,000 and above, you can't make back your money.
One consumer though is asking the farmers to hold strain a little longer, if possible.
Everybody is in the struggle, you know. So everybody would want to get an extra in the pocket. But they have to also look on the other side of it. People are actually struggling now. Nobody is suffering, but some persons are really struggling. So holding it means that you're holding firm with the persons who are finding it hard as well. People have to have a heart nowadays, not just for the money. People must have a heart to know that a lot of persons cannot afford it as usual. So if you come with your products and can sell it even cheaper than usual, it makes it better for both sides, the sellers and the buyers.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.